Finally, after a month and 10 days, I got my hatchetgear order. It got lost in the mail, and they filed a claim, and I called and called and called. So yeah, I don't know if anyone knows what I got yet. Do you guys know? I don't know. I don't know if you know. But here we go. Let's see. I'll show you the exact date it was ordered on. It was ordered. Oh, well, that's my old address, so it doesn't even matter. March 2nd. It is April 12th. Comes with this and that. And for being late, they didn't give me anything else, so fuck that. I got ABK Dirty History. Man's Myth. And Mutant. Wow, this one's already opened. Whoa, this one has 2 discs. Oh, they both have 2 discs. Oh, and it's cracked to hell because the post office doesn't give a shit about anyone. Bonus DVD. Performed from the Gathering. Oh shit, I didn't know that. That's good. Paid $3 for all 3 of them. Well, not all 3 of them. All 3 of them separately were... God damn it. Each CD was $3. God, the whole... There's a bonus disc. I don't know what the hell it is. Yeah. I guess that's what I get for $3. The whole case is busted. The CDs are scratched. Yeah, I got it during Juggalo Day sale. I'm really pissed that that's broken. I'm just gonna switch it with another case, I think. Like an older CD case. I mean, seriously. Look at all them CDs. So yeah, $3 a piece. It came up to $15.46 or 41. And they should have given me my money back, but they didn't, because they could care less. I mean, look at the package. Package was like ripped a little right there, but this little now it's fully open. But I mean, like right there, they don't care, not at all. They should have given me like a bunch of free shit. Here's the disc for that one. I'm surprised this case is not broken. Oh, but that's broke. What's on the bonus disc for this? Alright, sorry about that. And then, yeah, Dirty History. the only reason why it took me so long to buy these albums is because I didn't have money. And I mean, I've already heard these albums like a long ass time ago. So, I mean, I don't really catch up, or I don't really buy older, like, I'll buy older CDs, but I mean, it's like when the time's right, when the money's right, and I was originally gonna buy like 20 CDs on the sale, but a lot of them they didn't have. Like I was gonna rebuy Wicked because I already have it, whatever it is. I was just listening to it, so it worked out. Yeah, I was gonna rebuy Wicked with. Oh, here it is. I have the bonus songs edition. I was gonna buy the comic book one, and then maybe the DVD one, but sorry, this is taking forever. There we go. But anyways, yeah, it took over a month for me to get this. Really pissed. Should have gotten my money back, but they don't do that. That's their policy. They don't. Once it's in the mail, it's out of their hands. Those exact words. Yeah, that just happened. So yeah, this is probably going to be my very last hatchetgear order. Because it took forever to send it out. They didn't send it out until March 21st, and I ordered it March 2nd. Yeah. And I complained to them, and I was like, this is ridiculous. But I don't even know when this came in the mail. Because it's been like 3 days since I've checked the mail, so it could have came yesterday, could have came today. I don't know. That's funny because I looked in my mailbox today, I was like, oh look, a package. And it was a white package. And then I felt it, I was like, oh, it's only a shirt. So I was like, oh, maybe they gave me a shirt, but then I checked it was for my dad. He got a Who shirt. Da-da-da. Dirty history. Peace. Unless you want to watch me put Man Smith into a different fucking case. Actually, shit, both of my cases are broken. I gotta find CDs. Or CD cases. Huh, later.